Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone with a WordPress site: speed optimization. Is your website slower than a snail in molasses? Do your visitors click away before your homepage even loads? Well, you've come to the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive guide to transform your sluggish site into a lightning-fast, user-friendly machine. A faster website doesn't just improve user experience, it's also a massive factor for SEO. Search engines like Google love speedy sites, which means better rankings and more traffic for you. So grab a coffee, open up your WordPress dashboard, and let's get ready to turbocharge your website. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of your website: your hosting. Think of your hosting provider as the plot of land your house is built on. If the ground is shaky, it doesn't matter how beautiful your house is, it's going to have problems. It's exactly the same with your website. Using a cheap, low-quality shared hosting plan is often the #1 reason for a slow WordPress site. These plans cram hundreds, sometimes thousands of websites onto a single server. When one site gets a traffic spike, everyone else slows down. It's like being stuck in a digital traffic jam you can't control. So what's the solution? Investing in a reliable hosting provider. Look for hosts that specialize in WordPress. Companies like Kinsta, WP Engine, or SiteGround offer managed WordPress hosting. This means their servers are specifically configured and optimized for WordPress performance. They offer features like dedicated resources, so you're not competing with other sites for speed, and advanced server-level catching, which we'll talk more about later. Yes, it might cost a few more dollars a month, but the return on investment is huge. You'll see better performance, stronger security, and often much better customer support. Upgrading your hosting is often the single most effective change you can make to boost your site's speed. Don't build your masterpiece on a shaky foundation. Next up, let's tackle one of the biggest culprits of slow loading times: images. We all love beautiful, high-resolution images on our sites. They grab attention and make our content look professional. But there's a dark side. Large, unoptimized image files are incredibly heavy, and they can bring your page loading speed to a grinding halt. You ever visited a site where the text loads, but you're left staring at blank boxes, waiting for the pictures to appear? That's the effect of unoptimized images. It's frustrating for visitors and can dramatically increase your bounce rate. The good news is that optimizing your images is relatively simple. The first step is resizing. Before you even upload an image to WordPress, make sure it's sized appropriately for its intended space. If your blog's content area is 800 pixels wide, there's no need to upload a 4,000 pixel wide image. You can use any basic photo editor to resize it. The second step is compression. Compression reduces the file size of your image without a significant drop in quality. You can use online tools like TinyPNG or TinyJPG before uploading, or you can use a WordPress plugin. Plugins like Smush Short Pixel or Magify can automatically compress every image you upload, and even go back and optimize your existing media library. This one change can cut your page load time in half. Seriously, start optimizing your images today. Your visitors and your Google ranking will thank you. Let's talk about a powerful concept called catching. This might sound a bit technical, but the idea is simple. Every time someone visits your WordPress site, their browser has to request files from your server, which then processes them and sends back the complete web page. This takes time and server resources. Catching creates and saves a static HTML version of your page. So the next time someone visits, the server can just send them that pre-made saved version instantly, instead of rebuilding the page from scratch. It's like having a photocopy ready instead of having to redraw the same picture over and over again. Implementing catching is one of the most effective ways to make your site feel incredibly responsive. How do you do it? I choose ways with a catching plugin. There are some fantastic options out there. WP Rocket is a premium user-friendly plugin that does an amazing job with just a few clicks. For free alternatives, W3 Total Cache and WP Super Cache are both powerful and popular choices. Many managed WordPress hosts, as we discussed earlier, also handle catching at the server level, which is even faster. By implementing a good catching strategy, you significantly reduce the load on your server, which means your site can handle more traffic without slowing down, and delivers a much faster experience to your returning visitors. It's a non-negotiable for any serious WordPress site owner. Let's move on to something that's crucial for both speed and security: keeping everything updated. I'm talking about the WordPress core itself, as well as all of your themes and plugins. You've probably seen those update notifications in your dashboard and maybe even ignored them. That's a huge mistake. Developers release updates for a reason. These updates often contain important security patches to protect your site from vulnerabilities. A hacked site isn't just a security nightmare. It can also be severely slowed down by malicious code running in the background. But beyond security, updates frequently include performance enhancements. Developers are always looking for ways to make their code more efficient and faster. By running an outdated version of a plugin or your theme, you could be missing out on significant speed improvements. Think of it like running an old operating system on your phone. It just won't be as fast or secure as the latest version. So, make it a regular habitat, at least once a week, to check for and apply updates. Always back up your site before you do, just in case something goes wrong. A plugin like Updraft Plus can make backups easy and automatic. Staying current is a simple but vital part of maintaining a healthy, fast, and secure WordPress website. Don't neglect your updates. Our next optimization technique is about tidying up your code. It's called minification. Every time a visitor loads your site, their browser has to download your CSS and JavaScript files. These are the files that control your site's styling and interactive features. By default, this code is written with lots of spaces, comments, and line breaks to make it readable for developers. While this is great for humans, it's completely unnecessary for browsers. So all that extra stuff adds to the file size, making them take longer to download. Minification is the process of automatically removing all of that unnecessary fluff from your code files. Strips out whitespace, comments, and shortens variable names, making the file as small as possible without changing its functionality. A smaller file size means a faster download, which means a faster loading page. So how do you do this? You don't need to be a coder. Most catching plugins like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache have options to minify CSS and JavaScript with a simple checkbox. Some optimization plugins like Auto-Optimize specialize in this. Just be sure to test your site carefully after enabling minification, as it can occasionally cause conflicts with certain themes or plugins. But when it works, it's an easy win for shaving precious milliseconds off your load time. Finally, how do you know if all your hard work is paying off? You need to test your speed. Guessing isn't good enough. You need real data to identify performance bottlenecks and measure improvements. This is where speed testing tools come in. They are essential for a proper optimization workflow. They analyze your website and give you a detailed report on what's loading, how long each element takes, and provide a performance score. More importantly, they give you specific, actionable recommendations on what to fix. There are several great free tools you can use. Tetrix is a fan favorite. It gives you a performance grade and breaks down your site's structure in a really clear way. Pingdom Tools is another excellent option that lets you test your site's speed from different locations around the world. And of course, there's Google's own Page Speed Insights, which is crucial because it shows you how Google sees your site's performance for both desktop and mobile users. The key is to run a test asterisk before asterisk you start making changes to get a baseline. Then, after each optimization, you make like compressing images or enabling catching run the test again. This allows you to see the direct impact of your efforts and helps you pinpoint exactly what's giving you the biggest speed boost. Don't just optimize blindly. Test, measure, and improve. So there you have it, a complete roadmap to taking your WordPress site from slow and frustrating to fast and fantastic. We've covered the importance of a solid hosting foundation, the massive impact of image optimization, the magic of catching, the necessity of regular updates, the code cleaning power of minification, and the critical role of speed testing tools. It might seem like a lot, but you can tackle these one by one. Start with the easiest wins, like installing an image optimization plugin and a catching plugin. Those two steps will make a world of difference. Remember, a faster website leads to happier visitors, better engagement, and higher search engine rankings. It's one of the best investments you can make in your online presence. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and are ready to speed up your own site. If you have any questions or want to share your own favorite optimization tips, please drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy optimizing.